The Huntsville Police Department is taking additional steps to make sure crimes are solved as quickly as possible in the city. HPD is now partnering with Flock Safety. Flock Safety, a company based out of Atlanta, uses automated license plate detector readers to assist law enforcement in solving crimes. Now, the cameras can also use information from national or state crime databases to provide real-time alerts when a car associated with a known suspect or a stolen car passes that camera. HPD Chief Mark McMurray says this agreement with Flock Safety will put handcuffs on offenders quicker. A Flock spokesperson says they have success stories from their network weekly.
There was a pretty horrific homicide in Nashville, Tennessee. The police knew some details about the vehicle the suspect was driving, but not a ton. They were able to put the license plate into one of those crime databases that the Flock Safety system pulls from. And actually, it was picked up on a camera outside of Atlanta.
So this agreement between HPD and Flock Safety is not costing the city of Huntsville any money. HPD isn't installing anything or promoting a particular camera service either. If there is a camera or a crime in a neighborhood that uses this system, HPD would be able to reach out to private owners as needed to access their video.
Right now, there are around 5